Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister and Urban Affairs Minister Hnlc has rejected recent allegations made by the proscribed Hnlc National Liberation Council (Hnlc), which accused him of financially supporting the group during his tenure in the Congress-led government. Dhar termed the accusations as unfounded and described them as a politically driven attempt to damage his reputation. Addressing the media on Sunday, Hnlc expressed disappointment that such claims surfaced while he was away from the state for several weeks. He maintained that the allegations were entirely fabricated and lacked any factual basis. According to him, certain political leaders were using the issue as a tool for political gain and to mislead the public. Dhar stated that despite the smear campaign, he remained committed to serving the people with sincerity and devotion. He asserted that his intention had always been to protect the interests of the state and its citizens, and that he placed his trust in divine justice to guide and bless him, his party and the state government. In response to demands from the opposition, including the Indian National Congress and the Voice of the People Party (VPP), that he steps down to allow an impartial investigation, Dhar made it clear that he saw no reason to resign. He emphasized that stepping down would imply accepting allegations he deemed baseless and politically motivated. He said he was unshaken by the controversy, reiterating that his responsibility was to serve the public, not unlawful organizations. Reflecting on his 17-year career as an elected representative, Dhar affirmed his dedication to the people of Meghalaya and pledged to continue working harder in the interest of public service. When questioned about possible legal action, the Deputy Chief Minister indicated that he would consider appropriate steps if those responsible for the accusations could be identified. He reiterated that the Hnlc is a banned organization with a history of spreading misinformation and stated that the government would closely examine the matter before taking any action.
I think government know how to function in the government, because just like what I said, if today somebody talk about me and tomorrow somebody elect some minister, then government know how to function properly. There is a way of to function in the government.
There is a demand for you to resign also.
You see, this is the demand from the opposition party. It's always, opposition is always a duty. What? Demanding resign, dropping this and that. Everything you do, you have to be foolproof. Suppose if I resign, I accept the allegation, and which I'm not going to do, I won't bother at all. I'm here to serve for my people, not to serve for terrorists. Please remember, that is my commitment. 17 years as MLA in my own state, I love my people, and I will commit and promise to work harder and harder for the people of the state. The allegation is truly baseless allegation.